to the course. Without waiting for a second, let's get set up our environment. To practice the SQL, we need Server SQL Management Studio provided with Microsoft. So go to this official website of Microsoft. I'll provide this link in the description also. Open this website and then just click here, download SQL Server Management Studio 22 installer. So it's 2022 version. After you just install this, you need Visual Studio installer, this one. So go to the Visual Studio and install it. You will get a Visual Studio installer. It will, the Visual Studio installer will install this SSMS. After you install, you will get like this. And then what you need to do is, we need some resources to practice SQL. So the famous Azure Adventure Works. You need a database to practice, right? You just go to official Microsoft. And then, so one more thing is, we have just installed this 2022 version. So the backup file also we need to download the 2022 version or its previous versions. Remember that. Don't download the latest one. You can, if you restore the backup, it won't. You will get an error. So I'll just download this. You click to just Adventure Works 2022. Click it. It will be downloaded, and then copy that and then copy the file and put it in a safe folder so that you can access easily. And then just open the SQL Server Management Studio after installing it. So this is the SQL Server Management Studio 2022 version. After you open the SSMS, you will get the user interface like this. So first, what we need to do is, we need to connect to a server. We'll go to the local. You can connect to anything. I'm just connecting to the local DB. So put Windows authentication here. Just click trust server certificate and then connect. See, now we have connected to a server. So this is a server name, and then in the server we will be having databases. Okay, in databases we'll be having tables, views. We'll go through one by one in the following course. Now we don't have any databases. These are actually these are system generated snapshots or system generated databases. We need our own. So we have downloaded AdventureWorks database backup file, right? Click on databases, right click, restore database, and then device, select device. Here click browse, add. Now see, you just go to the file and then the selected AdventureWorks. Okay. See? Okay. Now it's restoring the backup. Database AdventureWorks 2022 restored successfully. Now see, in the server, now we have added the database that we have just downloaded from the AdventureWorks. If you open that, you will be having all the database in the tables, views, all this. These are all the tables that are in the database. All right. Now you have all the resources and the work environment set up to continue this course. Now we move on to the basics of SQL.